Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving straight into using Trello's List Highlighter Power-Up, a powerful tool to keep your Trello boards organized and easy to navigate. First things first, make sure you're logged into Trello. Now navigate to the board where you want to use the List Highlighter. The reason we do this first is because Trello's power-ups are board-specific, meaning you need to enable them for each board individually. Next up, click on Show menu in the top right corner of your board. From the drop-down, select Power-Ups. This helps us because it's the portal to all the additional features Trello offers, including the list highlighter we're focusing on today. You'll now see a variety of power-ups. Scroll down or use the search bar to find the list highlighter. Once found, click on Enable. This step is important because it activates the power-up on your board. Now that we've done that, go back to your board. You'll see a new sun-like icon in the top right corner. Click on it to open the list highlighter settings. This is where the magic happens. Here you can set color rules for your lists. For instance, you can set any list with the word urgent in the name to be highlighted in red. Simply type in urgent in the list name contains field, select red from the color dropdown, then click Add Rule. This is a game changer because it allows you to visually prioritize and categorize your lists, making your Trello board much more efficient. Let me explain why this matters. As your projects grow and your boards get more crowded, it can be difficult to quickly find the information you need. By using the list highlighter, you can color code your lists based on priority, team, or any other criteria that suits your workflow. In conclusion, Trello's List Highlighter Power-Up is a potent tool for improving your productivity and organization. By following these steps, you can easily implement color-coded list highlights into your Trello boards. And that's it. You're now a Trello List Highlighter expert. Thanks for tuning in.